Hello, guys. My name is Armin. In today's episode, Learning Revizto, I want to show you how to use rooms. This is a feature in Revizto that you can go to a different room by a few clicks. You can go to one level and basically get access to all the rooms available in that level. This is going to be a good tool in your coordination. It's going to make it a little bit faster. It's going to help you get from point A to point B very fast and by a few clicks. So without further ado, let's jump into Revizto and make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you like this content.
In this episode, Learning Revizto, we want to take a look at another feature that is going to help us in navigation in a Revizto project or a Revizto model that we have, and that's called rooms. So basically, if you guys go to the 3D and then all the way here, you can see a door icon, and that's called room. So if I click on rooms, it's going to open up a window for me. And also, if you guys can see on the screen, is a control plus R, which is going to be the shortcut for the rooms. So these box or this window is gonna it can be docked anywhere you want. So if you want to dock it anywhere else, you can just hover over the name like the top of it. You guys can see, and you can grab it and dock it anywhere you want, right? So for now, I'm just gonna leave it over here. The first thing that you see under drop down has three options for us. You can select the names based on their name, number, and level. So names is basically they name the room as you guys can see here is this cafe, kitchen, commercial retail, and sometimes it's only numbers. If there is only numbers, you can kind of see the numbers as well, and it also is going to give you all the levels per level. So for now, if I select room, and let's say I'm gonna click on this one, room 202. So it's gonna take me to the room 202. And if I kind of move around, it basically shows me what is the next room, right? The corridor 201 is the closest one to me. And if I pass that, it's gonna be like a room 204, right? So basically it's kind of showing me what are the rooms around me as I kind of move forward. It's gonna give me an understanding where am I under drawings. You can also search. So if I, let's say, search for room 404, for example, is a studio unit. If I click on it, just take me over there inside that room. And if you also don't want to see the annotation, you can just, go on these show and unshow or hide or unhide it. That's going to go away. So number is going to do the same thing. It basically is going to bring up all of those rooms that it has numbers but doesn't have the actual name tag for the room. You can kind of use this. So these two kind of work together is the same, but the levels, if you go to the level, it gives you all the levels that you have in your model. And the good thing is, if you want to only look at the rooms on level 2, you can click on level 2, and these are all the rooms that are available in level 2. So if you guys have like look at the Naviswork before, uh, that it doesn't have this. If you want to create rooms, you need to create a viewpoints in order to click on it and go to the rooms. But the kind of good thing about Revizto is it's already has all of these feature imported from the Revit model. All the rooms, all the tags with the room, so you don't need to create any viewpoints. You don't need to do anything. It's gonna give you ability to get to every single area that you want. So right now, if I go back, let's say I want to go see what's going on level 4, I can go to the level 4 and then 403. So that's a room 403. If you want to go to stair 2, it's going to take me to stair 2. So it's basically giving me ability to select every single room, also every single level and the rooms that are at that level. So let me go back to name and then select, let's say, this kitchen. So I'm selecting the kitchen. And then if you guys notice, there's going to be a little bit like an info icon next to it. So if I click on this info, it's going to open up a property box for that room. And I can get a lot of good data from this info. So, and all of these properties coming from the actual Revit model. So it's not something that you can create in Revizto. It's everything coming from the actual properties when published from Revit. to Revizto. So you can see the items, all the type, the name of it, the source file, what it is. Also, if there's any constraint, you can see all of those phasing. What is the phasing? New construction. If you want to look at the dimension of it, this is basically the height, the perimeter area, volume, and whatnot. Any different parameters. So anything that is available as a property for this room that you clicked on, you'll be able to see it. So if I click on a different room or a different area, like a green roof right here, it basically give me all the calculation, all the constraints. So everything that was created in Revit basically comes in. So I feel like this is a great feature that can help you during your coordination to give you a little bit more info on where you are in a project. And if you want to get access to a specific location very fast, you can use this room feature on top. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.